we go. I'm on a brand new road in New Hampshire. This is a brand new road for me. I've never been on it before. It looks like it's a rainy spring day, doesn't it? Rainy spring day. Blah, blah, blah. Rainy spring day. Hold on! Shouldn't be long now, I hope. Okay, ready? Hang in there, hang in there. Starting to see some signs of it. Look at that, look at that. Oh yeah, we're going uphill now. Courtney's mad. I have found winter. Once again, winter's back. At least this afternoon. Woo! Salisbury, New Hampshire. Oh, I was not expecting this. Truth be told, this is taking a lot longer than I thought it was because I got lost. I was not using GPS. Oh, this is fun! Woo! Driving in a winter wonderland. Woo! Look at that, it is winter again! This is the first snow of the season. Of the spring season, that is. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Look at all the snow. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Beautiful out here. Beautiful. So the day right now is one day past the middle of April. We're almost a month into spring. And okay, spring snowstorms, it's not like it's an occurrence that never ever happens. Of course it happens. But I've only been in New Hampshire for, whoa, shoo! Today is like basically 1 month, I think, tonight. 1 month since I got here with the cats and the last of my stuff, and I really moved in for the first day. And so that was March 16th. March 16th is at the very end of winter. And, that means I didn't see much of winter at all. I barely saw any snow. It's okay, snow. What's the big deal about snow, right? I lived in South Carolina for like 10 plus years, all right? South crappy Carolina. And I hated it there. And I never saw snow to speak of. So this excites me. This is awesome. This will be probably the last snow that I'll see until, I'm gonna guess, October. And this is awesome. I love it. Love it. Beautiful. No idea where I am or what lake this is. I'm in central New Hampshire somewhere. Woo! Beautiful. Bye. Fire danger today is high. Oh, yeah. Beautiful day. So that's going to be the end of the video. I'm going to head back where I was living. I mean, where I live in the town of Franklin, there was no snow. I woke up this morning and I checked the highway webcams, and I know that I saw that there's lots of snow everywhere, almost everywhere. Like, except for this one region between like from Concord up to Franklin to Bristol to Plymouth. There's very little snow, like almost none at all. No accumulation on the ground, maybe just some flurries. That's about it. Everywhere else, the ground was covered. So I had to go find it. I needed to see it. It's gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. April 16th. And it's snowing. There's like 3 inches on the ground where I am now in New London, not Connecticut. And I'm gonna head back. I saw enough. This was awesome. Give you a last look, all right? Here you go. Woo! I'm at the Flying the Flying Goose. Excuse me, the Flying Goose Pub and Grill. I think I'm in New London, not Connecticut. And I'm just sitting in the parking lot for a moment to make this video because I am the world's greatest YouTuber. Don't you forget it. Please subscribe. Hit the like button, would you? I would appreciate that so much. Hey, leave a comment too. Tell me how much you love the snow or hate the snow. Or you're just indifferent. All right, thank you. Bye. Whee!